What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today, man. I got my bro, Life with the Ice, pulling up, man. He pulling up again today. Y'all know anytime he in town, man, he gonna pull up and stuff. So we just gonna kick it, you know, have a good time, enjoy the day and all of that. And, man, I got a lot of parts I done dug out. I got for sale. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all them before he get here or whatever. So I got all the stuff laid. I got most of it laid out. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know what for sale, man. You let me know what you want. Whatever, you can hit my email and all that. I can ship them, whatever, however we need to do it. So y'all just stay tuned, man. We're gonna have a good time. I'll turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So I'm letting Ike and JB check out all the whip right quick before they leave. They finna take off. Y'all know I told you we're gonna take it on another video. I just crunk up Grandma Nana for them, but y'all know I gotta change that carburetor on it. Cause that joker there took, look at it. It flooded out just then, man, just idling. So I need to go, I gotta make one of them something run, get a carburetor. Shell going to get my keys to R&B. So I can crank it up. Y'all know, man, try to make the most of the day, get the most footage possible. Talk to the vlog. Get mad and he ready to run out. Thank you. So, let me go ahead and crank up R&B. Let them hear R&B, man. Then brown coat. Brown coat stay covered up.
And one thing I can't say, my kids, they gonna be out there messing with my stuff.
I'll take this over out. Y'all see she up here. She up here at the front, man. She taking a break for right now. Cold start for y'all. Make sure I don't get no copyright, y'all. Y'all know that blower carburetor, the roughy one, man, to get running. Y'all know we still finna change this exhaust system. We finna change this exhaust system, so she gonna sound different soon. Oh yeah, appreciate it. It's a more mellow, man. It's real mellow.
It's that old school cam sound.
Yeah, yep.
That's the first type of cam I ever heard. Like the kind that's in a small block.
Yeah.
That's the first time I ever heard like a cam. Yeah, got that popcorn like it's about to cut off.
Oh yeah, most definitely. You know saying on the hood, I do. Alright, y'all. Yep, right there, the old superstar. Alright, y'all. My boy Ike, man, got the scat out here. He got the scat out here this time, man.
Yeah, just crank it up for you.
Oh yeah. Woo-hoo. Oh, hey man. Man, this old Scat sound good. I love when that thing first crank up, boy.
Hey, cold start dangerous on this song.
That's it, man. That cold start is it, boy. See, it mellow on out.
Damn new car, man. I done had it for 2 years and I ain't really drove much.
I know you don't even hard to drive that car that much.
Bro, that's why I drove it up here this time, bro. The car, I done had it almost 2.5 years. I only got 11,000 miles on it.
Man, yeah, this thing brand new. This thing here ain't even blew all the dust off of it yet,
I believe shoot, me and my wife out there drove it more than I had. My wife and my little girl.
Yeah, man, y'all see my boy Ike pulled up, man. Had to get the Scat on camera, man, all that. So y'all know, man, I'm gonna turn y'all on in a minute, man. We're gonna see what we get into, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so look, it's a few days later. Y'all seen, man, my boy Ike pulled up. Thought I seen some wildlife, boy. My boy Ike pulled up, man. JB, that was my first time meet him, man. Good dude. Like I said, Cutlass for us. I think it one at the end of the ride racks, I think I said Cutlass for you. Or something like that, man. But it was Cutlass for us, man. But y'all know what I meant, man. But I had to, like I said, man, we had a little fun and all that. By now, y'all saw the ride reaction. We did ride reaction. And then, man, I had to show y'all his Scat Pack, man, showing some love and all that. And I know I was supposed to show y'all the parts that same day. I had all the parts laid out right here. And what happened, man? Something else threw me off. It wasn't even them pulling up. Something else threw me off, man. I put everything back up, man. I was like, God darn, man. But I got basically, in short, I have one Holly Blue. I got one Holly Blue fuel pump for 130. Like I said, it like barely used, man. 130. I got the converter that's coming out of Dolo. Like I said, Dolo probably back here soon. That's what I was telling Ike too. I said, man, every time you come, Dolo gone or something wrong. Last time he came, Dolo was on the construction, man. Y'all remember we were getting the engine freshened up, and now Dolo gone to Showtime. It gone to Showtime, man. Get converter swapped out. But I'm gonna have that TCI Ultimate Street Fighter converter for sale, man. It's 3600 style for $500, man. They'll save you $200. Y'all see, I just put it in, man. I just put it in. Ain't even got 100 miles on it. So, you know, they'll say it's a good converter now. If you want them on horsepower, if you want natural aspirated, hey, it's a 5 converter. It is, it's 5. So I had that for a T8 350, TH 400, or Power Glide. It'll work for Power Glide. Man, I got a Power Master 170 amp alternator. I sell it for $200. That joker there high, man. It brand new. Like, it literally is brand new. I ain't never had it on there. I got it for sale. We got the big block valve covers with the ready for the vacuum pump. I got the March kit, big block kit. Y'all know I just put all that. I'm selling that for $550. Cause that kit, man, that thing they'll sell $100, man. And they're brand new. I'm taking a loss on all this stuff. Y'all know it's brand new, man. It's work with any big block. What else? It's for a Saginaw style pump and long water pump. A long water pump for big block. I got that brand new. Like I said, the valve covers. I got so much stuff. The stud girders, big block comp cam stud girders. I'm selling them for $220. Go look them up now. Go look these prices up. If you don't think this is a good deal, go look these prices up, man. I'm already giving stuff away, but people want something for nothing. And we got I got the 1:7 ratio rockers. I can't remember how much I said on them, but hit my email if you want them. I have what else? The heads got sold. I told people they should have jumped on them big block head. Man, they were scared on, man. I don't think they can be. And the person that bought them, man, got the call. I looked at them, man. They brand spanking new again. I'm gonna show them on the vlog before I get them to them. I'm gonna show them. I told people they should have got him, man. Then he got him a good deal on some head car. I put him on my guy and got him fixed for a little bit of nothing, man. He got some nice big block head for under $2,000, man. Can't beat it. But what else I got? I'm trying to think, man. I got so much stuff. I got oh yeah, 4,000 style converter. The 4,000 style converter. It's a nitro converter, man. I got it for sale. I probably sell it for $400. And like I said, it got the plate on and everything. It heavy duty, ready to go. Man, I got so much stuff, man. I got a Power Master starter that's brand spanking, man, like brand new too. I sell it too, but I mean, like I said, brand new. I'm gonna knock a little bit off. It'll save you from going to the store to get it, but like I said, hit me email, you want that. The Power Master starter work with small block or big block, man. And it's a great starter. What else I got? I got the camshaft that came out of Cheapskate. I still got it, man. I sell it for $80. $80, man. The camshaft that came out of Cheapskate, the Cheapskate S10, man. If you don't know what that is, go type in Cheapskate S10 Jmalcom 2004. Cause back then I was doing the vlogs on my Jmalcom 2004 channel. Go check it out. You can listen to it. It's a 488 on the intake, 510 on the exhaust. It's a hydraulic flat tappet. I can't remember the load separation. It got a lot of duration on it. That's why it sounds so good and stuff too. You will need a style converter and everything for it. It's a JX Performance camshaft. It's a good camshaft, man. I mean, ain't no miles on it, really. It less than 500 miles on it. So I got that for sale. Something else. Oh, I got an Eagle. I don't think I ever told y'all. Not an Eagle. I got a Scat forged steel crankshaft, man. Lightweight. A lightweight crankshaft, not just standard weight. I got a forged steel lightweight crankshaft. Fresh, ready to go, man. It ain't brand new, it's fresh. I had a machine. This just stuff I had, man. They came out my old engine. The one when the push rod broke, man. But the crankshaft's some good. I kept it. I might use some. It's a 3.875 stroke for a small block Chevy, 350 mains. So 350 mains, Ernie. You can use a 350 block, or you can go buy your aftermarket block and make it whatever you want to make. So, but it'll make you a small block 396. And I sell it for $600, man. It's ready to go. You can't even hardly get no 3.875 stroke crankshaft right now in a timely manner. So if you have something to jump on, man, it wrapped up, said been machined, it's ready. It's ready to go in your engine. I ain't got to go to the machine shop. I got that for sale for $600. All this stuff, I'm located in Georgia. Said I would ship anything. I would ship any of it at your expense. I would ship any of it anywhere. It's to expense, man. I got some brand new G-body spring, front spring, man. They just factory spring, brand new. I bought from AutoZone. I never used. I got some, I think box Chevy front spring too. I got all, boy. I got parts for days. I'm about to have comp engineering front and back shop for sale for a box Chevy. I got a lot of stuff, man. I probably got some more stuff that I'm leaving out. Oh, I got a Dart intake. I got a Dart single plane intake, man. Small block Chevy. I sell it for $200. And then I got the big block Victor intake that I sell for I think I said $320. If it was lower, I'll let you know. At $320, if it's higher, I'm gonna let you know too now. Cause at $320 or $350. That intake, that's a $500 intake, man. That big block Victor, man. But I got it for sale. It's a 4500 flange, so it takes a Dominator style carburetor. I got that for sale. And I got some more stuff, man. I got some more stuff, man. Oh yeah, I have the carrier that came out of Dolo. It's an 8.5 30 spline carrier, man. It'll work in a truck too. It's a 10-bolt carrier, man. I have it for sale. Now y'all know Dolo knocked the guts out of it, but this is an Eaton carrier, so it's rebuildable. You can replace those insides and have a brand new unit. That's the good thing about them, the Eaton carrier. So you can place the inside, have a brand new unit, man. I got that for sale. I probably sell it. Them carriers, they run $5. I probably sell it for a couple of $100. You get your rebuild kit, you'll still be cheaper than buying one brand spanking new, man. So I probably sell it for a couple of $100. I got it in the box right there if anybody would need that. And I got some more stuff. Oh, I'm gonna have a radiator. I have aluminum radiator for sale too. The one coming out of Dolo, man. It's a good radiator too. It's a good radiator. I'm just going to a big one, y'all know that. So I'm gonna sell it for probably like $150. You have a good aluminum radiator. Radiators are high too. So if you want any of this, man, hit me in the email, jmalcom2004@gmail. I will ship anything, man. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the screen right now all the parts that's for sale, the official prices, so y'all can really see, man. and see what everything is. Cause I'm calling off the top of my head. I just got so many parts for sale, man, that I can't remember the prices. So I got everything on the screen right now so y'all can see. If you need any of this, man, I'm located in Georgia. And like I said, I will ship anything. If you local, we can meet up and stuff. And I got, like I said, man, I got more for sale, man. I got some more stuff popping up for sale too. We gonna have some, oh, I got a set of Flowmasters. I got one set of Flowmaster right now. Y'all see on, but y'all saw that on screen. I'm about to have another set of Flowmasters, the ones coming out wifey car. In the future, I'm gonna have a set of headers. Man, I'm gonna have a lot of stuff, man. So like I said, first come, first serve, man. I'm trying to give y'all the opportunity to get everything first and all that. But yeah, man, it's a good little vlog. Like I said, shout out to my boy Ike, man, and JB for coming through. Say, I know this day later, but I forgot to close it out, and I ain't want to leave y'all hanging like that. So I want to show y'all the part stuff too. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.